danke para quedar conosco televidente, manderam-se indicar, não sei, quase é parte final de nossa interessante conversação com o Ministro de Salubridade e Labor de St. Martin, the Honorable Minister Otley. Então, nós estamos quase chegando na final, pero não está todo dia nós estamos na St. Martin, nós estamos com juice. Maneira você sabe, então gusta juice me gas na agora minha oportunidade com nang Minister Otley, like I told them in Pavimentum, you know, it's not every day I'm here, so I got to get everything out of this interview. As I mentioned before, speaking of people, speaking of community, tell me a little bit about those community meetings that you started having.
Oh, that's perfect. Actually, you hear a lot that people complain and say, when you get in, you forget about the people, you forget about us. And when I ran for politics, a lot of my topics and discussions were based off of conversations with persons. Because if I have a conversation with you and then I speak of it, it's a real conversation. It's something that you are going through and other people are going through. I'm not able to reach everyone. Everyone is not able to reach me. So I try my best to make myself available. So with the community days, it was it has to be positive, where persons in the community can sign up. We have a meeting, you know, 15, 20-minute meeting, and some of them actually give me very good ideas. They are out there every day.
Yeah.
You know, it might be something that I am overlooking that they can see, and then they tell me their situations, and based off of your situations, if I am able to assist, I assist. If not, I point you in the right direction.
Yeah.
So it is very, very good. I've had my very first meeting, and this is what empowered me to continue. One guy actually told me, he said, Minister Otley, if I didn't get you today, I don't know what I would have done. He said, I thought of suicide. I have no job, my family left me, I have tried everything, and it was so simple. He just did not know how to apply for social aid or apply for unemployment. And we were able to put him in the right direction, point him in the right direction, put him in the right steps. And now today, you know, he's a recipient of social aid. So it just goes to show you that you never know who you are touching. You never know the impact you are having.
Yes. No, interesting. No, very, very beautiful story that you shared with us. And I'm sure that as these community days go on, there are going to be so many more of these stories and the feedback that you get and the ideas, because, you know, St. Martin, such talented people, and sometimes it just takes something simple to get them, you know, back on their feet or going in the right direction. I know we talked about the healthy lifestyle is the end of the year, and they're going to be hard with the ham and stuff like that. So, I know. It's going to be tough with the Christmas tart, etc. But now the challenge for you is, Minister Otley, seeing that you're the Minister of Health, Public Health, and also of Labor. It's towards the end of the year. People will be seeing this probably very close to Christmas. How inspired are you at this moment? It's not, you know, it's almost towards the end of the year. We got like 2 weeks till the year end. But your inspiration, I'm you know, pulling you here, but from now, if you have anything inspirational, not only for the people of St. Martin, but anyone that understands and has followed this interview, whether online or YouTube channel or via our TV station, you know, that sort of speaks to the masses, and not only the St. Martin people all over. all over. So, you know.
But no, definitely. I first would like to tell everyone that, you know, like you stated, the year is not over yet. So let us be cautious. Let us enjoy ourselves. Let us be safe during the season. Many persons, unfortunately, cannot afford to celebrate Christmas. That is something that the ministry is looking into. Again, we cannot please everyone, but on December 18th, the ministry, by extension the government, we will be hosting a community day in the Dutch Quarter area. Even if you're not a resident of Dutch Quarter, you can come out, where on that day I will have my team for medical assistance, social assistance, legal assistance, to give you information on how to obtain either of the three. We will have the Red Cross there. We're doing it in conjunction with them, conjunction with the HIV community. We're just making it a fun event. We will have DJs, the band, and I will be serving some food, some
Okay.
Christmas ham, you know, my little Santa hat. But it's just my way to give to the people that may not be able to have that Christmas dinner on the 25th. I'm thankful for my position that I'm here. I'm thankful that I can touch the life of some. I'm thankful for this interview. And I just want us to just reflect and pray that 2022 can be the year for you. Once you have survived, no matter how bad things are, once you open your eye, an opportunity is there. And I think that keep it in your heart and believe that 2022 can be for you.
Amen. Looking forward to it.
Yes.
Minister Otley, it's been a pleasure. I know I've been only here for a long minute in St. Martin, but I was really looking forward to having this little chat with you. I know we've gone over time, but that's okay. We're going to take care of it once we get back to Bonaire. And thank you for all that you're doing for the island of St. Martin. I know each one of us, we try in our own way to give back to our community. Who knows, maybe I'm trying to give back through this interview with you to inspire somebody else to do great things for their country, because you know, wherever you may go, you know, St. Martin is always going to be home to so many of us, even though we're way across the ocean. So I appreciate you taking the time out. Thank you to the staff also for setting this up for us, and of course all the best for 2022. And I know hopefully it will be for you too. I like
Thank
that.
you.
I have to steal.
Yeah,
I have
right?
to steal that. I have to steal that. What's a M-O?
You heard it first.
You heard it here first. So it was a great pleasure. And please allow me to say goodbye to our viewers in Papiamento. Televidente, danki pa bu sintonia, danki pa bu atensyon ku no sa oportunidad ku pa lagabo sera konosi ku unga di no sa minister ng palo que trata el Ministerio de Salubridad Público y Labor di nosso rumang isla St. Martin. Ta hopi nanta misaku minopora logra pa papiakutur ding iratu kortiku kumitate, pero manera no se indica Dutch Caribbean Television, manera enorme ta bisabu ta e canal pa Caribe Holandês e sempre by den 2022 também nos por 13 mais de esa aqui ng paabo televidente paso lamang ta separanos, pero Dutch Caribbean Television ta sigi uninos. Pami Meritza Hakmat tabot un placer anto te próximo ocasión ku entrevista super especial aqui anto danki na TV Caribe tambe directamente for the Sunshine City St. Martin. Te después.